I already talked. Let's just end this right now.
Good. You're here. Let's get started. Losing the doctor? It'll have gotten the prototype's attention. He'll be scared. He knows he's losing now, and the orphans are all he has. Now's the time to get to the Foundation. Make everything ready.
Look, we need to talk about this. We shouldn't... Just give it a second.
Ollie.
Ollie? You there? What's...
He's outside!
Ollie?
He's outside!
Who? Who's... Oh no. You need to distract him, Doey. Please. Keep him away from here.
Without the generator!
I know, but he can't get in here. Not now. Just buy us some time. You'll have to fix the generator. Work quickly. You won't have a lot of time.
But I...
Trust us, Doey. Trust me.
Just get the generator working. Please.
That's right. That's right, big man.
I'll try to gather the others. Keep them safe. Ollie, if you can hear me, work with our friend.
Aye, yes.
Okay.
You heard her. Now let's get to it. First, you'll want to open the access panel on the generator. It's just a little door on the outside of the machine. Usually on the end. Whenever you're ready, flip the breaker switch. But be aware, while it's down, so are Safe Haven's defenses. Meaning whatever's out there has nothing keeping it there.
Oh god.
We'll have to be quick. Grab an external resistor. Attach that to the capacitor bank.
Is there a what? Oh, there. Oh, this one.
Now use the Omni tool to override the generator's... Pull it! Nice. Now put in a new one. It's done. We did it. Good.
You did it.
Oh,
Thank you isn't nearly enough.
is everyone okay?
No word from Doey. Whatever happened out there? No, he's fine. I'm sure of it. We shouldn't wait anyway. Head for the Foundation. Plant the explosives. Meet back here after. We'll go over what comes next.
How is this game still going? Hey, man. This game's not being like scary, it's being more intense. To be honest. Oh. The gear sound. Oh, that's not it.
Often confrontational social tendencies, and an otherwise combative nature clearly relay that Kevin is simply a problem child. What friends have tried to have.
See? See? There you go. I'm back here. Hello. Okay, Hoovers. Plant explosives. Are you serious?
I'm Bubba Bubbaphant. Hey, I remember you.
An overview of Matthew Hollard in a Covenants of Project Doey. There's nobody down here who's on the boy. It's just the same. He came here already, boy, 15. Good challenge, understands. Read if you want. He is a good candidate for C. It's a miss of the other two, but please be gentle. You pick him. There's a fine young man, the future fighting. I hear the goobers. There's the two. Really? That was... There you go.
Sir, ma'am, I ask that you remain calm whenever you interact with the patient. He's only been awake a few days now. In many respects, he's still adjusting.
Is that him? Is that my boy?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Oh, George! That's our boy! Jackie!
Why does he look like that? What did you do to him?
Stop it, George. Just stop. That's our son in there. Our son!
Dear, look at it. That's not even human.
Let's just talk to him. You'll see. Let's just go in there and talk to him. Can we? Can we talk to him?
Yes, ma'am, you certainly can. Go on in, whenever you're ready.
Jack, I want you to know. I'm so sorry. I've never forgiven myself for what happened. I played it all back a million times in my head, and I know there had to be something I could have done. I could have reached just a little further. I could have noticed a little sooner. I could have... But we have you back now. That's what's important. We can...
Who are you?
Jack? Honey, it's me. It's Mommy.
Mommy?
Yes. Yes! It's Mommy and Daddy. You remember, don't you?
Leave me alone.
Hey, you'll be okay, I promise. Mommy's only here to talk.
No, I don't want to talk. Get out!
Susan, I think we should leave.
Jackie? I'm staying right here. I'm not leaving you. Not ever again. Do you hear me?
The gentle voices lie. I know what they do. They lie, and they poke, and they hurt. Susan, get away from me!
Jack? Mommy won't lie to you, Jackie. Mommy won't hurt you. I'd never hurt you.
Hey! Hey! Open this door! Oh, God. Susan! Please! Open the door! Please!
Oh. Cheeky scientists. They knew what they were doing. They knew what they were doing. Get out. What look? Right? I just killed that. Oh my mama. Don't stop it now. Okay, I think I have explosives. Note. Condition operation. I know new posting here is weird, but it's important that being built here. Remember, we're not taking any of that. After all, you were at the station. You'll notice the station switch prior to compounds labeled A, B, C, and we'll connect that to one another in red smoke. Just to make sure the secret breaks. Okay. Okay, so we need the gas. Start the gas. Where's the gas? Here? Redirect the gas into the storage tank. Okay. I think it's supposed to go up. There. It's it, right? Yeah. Yeah. I, as the Master Hand, command you to blow up. Fix the door? What do you mean fix the door? Okay. Right here. Hello? Bye, little fellas. Getting out of here. Oh.
Type. I lost track of him in the tunnels. Have you seen him? Was
No.
he at the Foundation?
I don't know.
Was he... What? What's going on? He's... I let him away, didn't I? The generator's fine. It's...
Oh.
No.
Doey? Oh god. Save heaven. No! No. No!
Sorry. I'm so sorry. I failed you. I was never what any of you needed. I was only made to hurt things. My fault. My fault. Hurt. Everything hurts.
No.
Hurt back. Always hurt back. Parents, scientists, everyone have to. My friends. He killed my friends.
Yeah, you are three. You are three guys in one body.
It all started with you. You and her. It was you who ruined everything! No, that's not true. They jump-started the generator. They destroyed everything! I'll kill you!
No! Doey! Doey! Doey? Buddy? Oh. My. God. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh my god. Get out of here. Where I'm going. Hello? Where am I supposed to go? Oh, there! There! Oh! Oh! What do I do? Forget you ever seen that. Forget I ever fell off, okay? But I'm doing the hands. I'm doing it. There you go. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. For now it's gone. There you go. Oh my god. Okay. Leave that on. What? Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. Freeze him. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. God. Woo. Wait. Okay. I get it. I had to freeze him and then cut him. There you go.
Too loud!
Okay, and now I need to find a saw blade. Yeesh. Yes. Okay, yeah. They punched me.
Couldn't save anyone.
Stop doing the hand thing.
Take everything!
Come on.
Play!
Yeah, that's it.
Take her! Take everything!
Grab it. Grab it. Grab it! Grab it!
Play a little longer.
Why did he grab it? Did he grab the thing? Oh my god. Dang! I'm gonna cry. Like, you. No. Come on. Come on. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. No. What are you talking about? I don't have sound. There you go. Die! 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 Oh. Dead. Oof. Finally. Finally. Yeah. Hold on. I did. Yeah. It's all working good. Finally. What now? Oh my god!
You and Pop to kill you! Kill everyone who hurts me! Rip you!
Die. Die. I don't care. Doey, you are going to freeze forever in eternity.
Can't trust anyone! The gentle voices lie! You lie! I tried to be better, to be who they needed. Smart enough, not good enough, not...
Bye, you stupid lizard.
I'm sorry.
I know you're sorry. I don't care.
Sorry.
I don't care. You got me mad. I'm stealing your hat. I'm putting it on. I'm using it as a trophy. Don't care you're sorry. You pissed me off. Hello. Why is it?
Your suggestions?
To produce the results I'm after. Have I made an error in allowing your survival? Of course not. We just need more time to perfect that. Time? Time is precisely what we do not have. Then I suggest you find some more. That will give me labs access. At least with the two of us.
That is out of the question.
You will still want. Fine. But you have no staff, virtually no test subjects. It's hardly ideal conditions. Even when this place was fully operational, we were beating our heads against this. You can't expect to do it on your own so quickly. The situation necessitates it be done quickly. I'm just giving you the facts. And the fact is, we need more time, or this isn't going to work. I can only be reactive up here. Then of what use are you? You know I'm still your best shot at cracking that secret. If I weren't, you would have already killed me. A sound observation. Yes, you have made yourself useful. Provide me more options. I will try again. Of course.
But
If you are stalling, or worse, remember,
your usefulness
is the only reason you were not stripped for meat and spare parts.
It was awful. So awful. I didn't want... This wasn't what I thought we were gonna leave. Leave the factory. Not this. All those people. Prototype says we can't leave. Not now, not ever. I hate him. I hate him, and I hate this place, and I hate that he's... right. He explained everything, and he's right. We can't leave. It's too risky. What they did to us... we can't ever let it happen to us or anyone ever again. Doesn't make me feel better about the bodies, though.
what he was saying about them? I know there's not really another option. The toys will starve otherwise. They'll die. But it's still disgusting. I wish you were here, Dad. I could really use one of your talks right about now. You'd know what to say. When you were running this place, you always knew what to say. I miss you.
I don't know. Give it. Good. What is this?
I'm not sure if this thingy is on, but I need to talk, and I can't talk about this with anyone else. For the past few months, the fighting's been bad. Real bad. I've seen a lot of stuff I probably shouldn't. It's been hard to keep my head straight. The others, they look to me to know what to do, to know where to go. For a long while, we had Poppy to tell us, go here, go there, do this. And it all made sense, too. Poppy was nice. I can't find Poppy anywhere. I don't know what happened or where she went. But it's scary here without her. Maybe she ran, just like I have. I'm here, outside the prison, in front of... I'd almost forgotten it was all here. And seeing this again, it's given me reason to think. I could make for the exit. It's all I'd wanted for the longest time. But there are others inside. Others that aren't like me. They're hungry and scared like I am, but they're not me. They can't go where I can. But they mean a lot to me. A lot more than I thought they did. And having seen what I have, knowing how they see me, how much they need me. I'm going back. I wanted to make this in case I ever doubt or forget that. Just play this and remember. Yeah. Yeah. That's all. See ya.
A hug a day keeps the monsters away.
Goodbye, Huggy. He was a good man. Ooh!
Ollie!
Oh!
Ollie! Can you hear me? Ollie! You! What did you do?
It's nothing.
Why did you kill Doey?
It was
Do you
crazy.
even understand what happened? The prototype, Did you even plant the explosives?
I did.
Ollie! Ollie, answer me! Please.
Ooh.
Ollie! Something's gone horribly wrong. The safe haven...
Shelf ventilation block B6. Is this where you are, Poppy?
No!
What?
Stay where you are.
And listen closely.
The
You're not
product.
going to run. You're not going to fight. The charade is over.
No.
Who is this?
Is the prototype.
An obvious question with an obvious answer.
You. What did you do with Ollie?
I'm right here, Poppy.
For you,
I'll always be
here.
The doctor, Catnap, Mommy and Huggy, they're all dead. You have nothing now. No one. And soon, you'll have less than that.
Stop that.
You don't need to pretend anymore.
Poppy. You don't need to play at being stronger than you are.
You can
Come home.
How much do you know?
Everything.
This isn't right. All those years. Was there ever an Ollie?
Yes, there was.
But that was a very long time ago. Let me tell you what comes next.
I'm going to
Come up there.
and I'm going to
Find you.
Oh my.
Your collaborators. The few you have left, they will be dealt with.
What are you going to do with me?
I've got something special in mind.
I prepared it just for you.
And this one.
You will never want to leave.
No. No, no, no. This entire time. You've lied to me!
Only because you've kept
Missing the
point.
Everywhere.
I've taken the liberty of retrieving those explosives from the Foundation.
Thanks for collecting them.
those, by the way. I've put them to good use. I admit, though, I'm disappointed.
After all that time in your case, I'd hoped you'd see things
Differently, don't you understand?
It's always been about you.
And we'll harm you.
what we are. That's not a truth that can be
Burnt away. No, not when it can mean so much more.
Prototype. Please.
It's time to come home.
Poppy.
It's time to come home.
I can't go back in the case. I can't. I'm sorry.
No! Hey! PC.
Some friend, huh?
Don't worry, I'll find her.
As for you two, try to land on your feet.
Oh god. Oh! No! Ah! Oh! Ah! How am I even still alive? How is this even going still? Oh. Cookies. The actual flower. I'm a lot of charges.
Hi, my name is Leith Pierre, and I'm the head of innovation here at Playtime Co. If you're seeing this, you must be very, very lost. Well, rest assured, friend, our state-of-the-art laboratory is just up ahead. Why don't you just go on inside and tap one of our scientists on the shoulder? Tell them you're lost. They'll be glad to help. All right. Let's be honest. You're not supposed to be here. This is the single most high security, high clearance section of the whole factory. When someone finds you down here, you will be shot. And before you get any ideas, don't think you can just sneak away either. No, the second you put this tape in, it set off an alarm. So if anyone's home, they know exactly where you are.
You see?
Pretty nifty, huh? Security is very important to us here. If I
You
were
see?
you, I'd start running.
No! Huggy! After 5 whole hours, this is how it ends. Holy macaroni. This chapter wasn't that scary. It had more stress factor and lore. I think I still like more chapter 2. No, sorry, chapter 3. I mean, I'm not gonna say that it's worse mechanically because the game just came out. I played it day 1. Maybe there's some fixes that are going on. But I felt like I was doing nothing. Like I don't even remember what I did mostly. Yeah, I found Jarnaby and then the rest is obscure. but yeah, that's it. That's probably the chapter 4. Thank you for following me, seeing the chapter. And I'm sure playing the next one as they revealed Hucky's return. Now I'm gonna wait here to see if there's any cute message or something. Post credits. I don't really know what to say anymore. It felt like when I was playing it, it felt more like, and then this happens, and then that happens, and then this guy shows up, but now you're fine because the door security, and then this happens and that. But because you did this, now you could go back and walk here and do that. It was weird. It was actually weird. I don't know. I'm confused now. I even have a headache. I've been playing this game for 5 consecutive hours. And I don't even fully processed everything. I recommend you, if you're seeing this video and some lore recompilation video comes out, watch that. Because I have no clue. I don't even remember. Once again, we continue to always support the population. I'm going to make videos with even more speculation with it with the fan mail. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's again nothing more than a sweet little message. So thank you guys for watching this series, the chapter 4 episode. And I don't know, maybe I'll see you in 1 year or maybe in less, whatever it tells. Nothing more to say. See you later, alligator.